Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you won't get stuck. Make sure the Tether app is installed and updated. Once done, open it. You should have your registered email or phone and your password at hand because the first screen asks for credentials immediately. Also confirm a stable internet connection. This reduces timeouts and multi-factor prompts. If you use a company account, have any device approval app ready. Now tap Sign In to begin the authentication flow. You'll now follow the app's verification steps to prove it's really you. Enter your email or phone carefully because one wrong character causes failed attempts. Next, type your password. If biometric is offered, enable it for faster returns later. When two-factor appears, choose SMS or Authenticator. Use the Authenticator app when available for better security. After you approve the device or paste the 6-digit code, the app builds your session and syncs. You finish by checking that you're on the Tether dashboard and that account details match expectations. Make choices about stay signed in and session timeouts for convenience versus security. If the app stalls, sign out, force close, and reopen, then clear app cache or retry on a different network. If credentials fail, use the password reset flow and follow email or SMS instructions. If multi-factor never arrives, check spam carrier blocks or reissue codes from the Authenticator app before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.